Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use points on Trust Wallet. In this quick tutorial, let's explore how the Trust Wallet's new XP system works and what happened to the old points. Trust Wallet recently shifted from points to XP, and this change affects how users level up through Trust Premium. If you previously joined Trust Quest and earned Trust Points, don't worry, your progress still carries over. Those past points and achievements now contribute to your premium tier and future rewards. Earlier members with over 1,000 points before October 31st were even granted automatic gold status, with the duration depending on their total points. Moving forward, your XP becomes even more valuable, letting you unlock app perks, join exclusive campaigns or airdrops, and gain access to expanding premium features. Every action, whether it's swapping tokens, checking in daily, depositing assets, or locking TWT, pushes you closer to a higher tier and builds longer term benefits within Trust Premium. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.